Happy Children's Day, all the students, teachers, everyone, and communicate my wishes to your parents also. Thank you.
Good morning, children. A very warm, happy Children's Day to you all. You all are very valuable for us, and we really want you to come back to the school. We are waiting for that day. Thank you and enjoy your day.
Student everywhere on the 14th November, we celebrate Children's Day on the eve of birthday of first Prime Minister of India. So I wish you Happy Children's Day. Thank you.
My dear students, a very good morning to all of you and Happy Children's Day. My dear beloved students, I would like to wish you a very happy Children's Day. May the love and laughter always stay on your face. Every children is a special in a special way. And so you are the reason for a smile and all our happiness, and you are the future of tomorrow. Being a physics teacher, on this occasion I want to suggest you about the proper use of new technology teaching and learning. Means about your online classes which is being conducted due to COVID-19 pandemic. First, you must remember, if we teacher teach you especially physics or maths 1 hours, then your study period becomes 3 hours. Suppose I teach you 1 hour, then your study period becomes 3 hours more. In 3 hours, you have to make a proper complete notes that you are taught by your teacher. Next, you collect all possible questions regarding the topics and get clarified in a short period of time. You should always think positive, because thinking positive makes everything possible. At last, I want to say, for the betterment of your result, for the betterment of your future, to achieve your goal, all teacher always with you. Thank you. Have a nice day, and again I wish you Happy Children's Day and Happy Deepavali. Thank you.
Hello, my dear lovely students. Happy Children's Day to you all. Well, 14th November is celebrated as Children's Day every year. This day, the first Prime Minister of independent India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, was born. He had extreme love towards children. That is why he was popularly called as Chacha Nehru. This day is celebrated across the country to increase the awareness of rights, care and education for children. He considered children to be the real strength of a nation and the foundation of a society. During this pandemic time of COVID-19, we wish that education becomes a part of every child's life. So students, stay happy, stay healthy and remain active. Once again, Happy Children's Day to you all. Thank you.
हम लाए हैं तूफान से कश्ती निकाल के, हम लाए हैं तूफान से कश्ती निकाल के, इस देश को रखना मेरे बच्चों संभाल के. Happy Children's Day to all my dear loving kids. There are some things we cannot buy, and one such thing is our childhood. Enjoy the spirit of Children's Day with our heartfelt wishes. You are our most valuable resource and best hope for our future. You are the light not only of your family but the whole school, the whole society and our nation. You are the living symbols of our vision and our belief, and we have firm belief in your talents and skills. So I on this day wish you all two lasting gifts. One is roots and second is wings. Happy Children's Day not only from my side but from all your teachers, your class teachers love you all and missing those celebrations with you, just missing to laugh with all our hearts with you. Happy Children's Day. Stay blessed, stay happy. Wish you all the prosperity and success in life.
Good morning, students. Good morning, children. The earth reveals the innocence through the smiles of children. Children carry the hopes for our brighter tomorrow and the dreams of our happy future. Wishing a very enjoyable day for the children all over the world. A very warm wish for all the children on this special day. Happy Children's Day. One more thing I want to discuss you. We teachers are missing those days. We teachers miss you a lot. I pray to God as soon as possible you all will come to school and make bright future and happy life to us. So happy Children's Day. Stay safe. Thank you.
My lovable kids and kids, today is a very special day for you because every child is a miracle, with each having their own ways to make this world a beautiful place for us. Every child is a different kind of flower. Kids, there are no words to express how important you are, how special you are for all of us. Childhood is an enchanting vista, an endless fun and experience, and era of imagination. Every child is a special in their own way, and so are you all. You are the reason for all our smiles and happiness in our life. May you have a fun-filled and victorious life ahead. Happy Children's Day to all my lovable kids.
रोने की वजह थी ना हंसने का बहाना था, रोने की वजह थी ना हंसने का बहाना था, क्यों हो गए हम इतने बड़े, इससे अच्छा तो बचपन का जमाना था। हेलो बच्चों, ए वेरी हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे। बचपन सचमुच एक बार आता है और एक बार आप बड़े हो जाते हो तो फिर लौट करके बचपन में नहीं जा सकते। तो इसलिए मैं चिल्ड्रंस डे पे कहना चाहूँगी कि हमेशा फूलों की तरह महकते रहो, सूरज की तरह चमकते रहो और तितली की तरह मचलते रहो। अपने बड़ों का सम्मान करो, सुबह शाम ईश्वर का ध्यान करो। ए वेरी हैप्पी चिल्ड्रंस डे। महकते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए, चहकते रहिए। थैंक यू।
A very happy Children's Day to all the kids, and I wish you a very successful year ahead, even years ahead, and may God bless you. Stay blessed, enjoy your day, and have a very happy and safe Diwali.
Hello children, on the special occasion of 14th November, I would like to wish you Happy Children's Day, and I hope or I wish that in future you always achieve better goal, your life must be glorious and you always achieve success in your life. I would like to give you one message that always dream high. Until or unless you dream high, you can't achieve good thing. So for better dream, not only dream, you have to just make the work for fulfill your dream. And when you dream, you always try to achieve better scope, and when you try to scope better scope, then you will definitely get something new or something rich in your life. So always dream high, do your work, and never do any such thing which may spoil your career or which hamper your career, because time and opportunity never waits for anyone. So always think that whatever your opportunity you have to do on it so that you can get new opportunity, and in this way you will get success. And success is always a progressive realization of worthy goals, and success is not a destination, it is always a path which you have to continuously go on. So don't take success as your final dream. You keep on going, you achieve better things, and in future you come out with flying colors. Overcome the stumbling blocks. There may be many obstacles come in your successive path, but don't bother about such stumbling blocks which hamper your steps of success. Always overcome the obstacles and achieve better goal and higher goal, so that your dream and your parents' dream and even teachers' dream can be fulfilled. Happy. Teachers just inspire you so that you can achieve your goal. We just give you the wings. We just provide you wings so that you can fly higher and higher. And we always teach you the technique. We are not teaching you. We are just teaching you the technique how to achieve goal and success in your life.
Honorable ARO Mr. Arun Kumar Sir, Principal Mrs. Anupam Bhatnagar Ma'am, my dear colleagues and my all lovely students. At first I would like to wish you Happy Children's Day. This day is very special as we celebrate birthday of our first Prime Minister and a great visionary Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday at Children's Day. Children are future citizens of the nation. They are considered as the building blocks of the strong nation. They are ray of hope who have potential to change the nation tremendously. Children's Day celebration also reminds us of our responsibility to provide right education, equal opportunities and space for breathing free air to our students. Let us join our hands together and take a place to secure the present and future of the country's leaders to make a beautiful nation. With this, I would like to conclude my speech, and I would like to thank you all for providing me a great opportunity to speak in front of you. Once again, Happy Children's Day. Thank you to all.